guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today's video I'm gonna show you that how you can scan a document or a paper or a book from your phone. So for me, I am using a smartphone, Android phone, for scanning document or books, but you can also scan document by using your iPhone. So for today I'm going to show you that in an Android phone, and I will show you the full process of scanning documents using your phone. A perfect way. This one is perfect and simple way. So before starting the process of all thing, I want to say you that please subscribe my channel and please comment that how was the video. And my English skill is little bit weak, so sorry for that. So let's start the main part of the process of scanning document. So for scanning document, you have to go Play Store and search Fast Scan. There are a lot of scanner app, and I tried lot of. There have some is good, some is not good, and finally I selected this one for myself, and I am using this one from 2021. And here you will see the lot of review of this app that this guy is using for scanning files with his phone for 6 years, and this is the best scanner for him. Term of quality, speed, scanned image management, simplicity. So this one is so much simple, that's why I love on. So let's see. I'm going to show you how I scan and how this app works. So I already installed this one, and I took some file here for showing you, for example, how I scan it. So you have to click here for scanning a new file using this scan app, document scan app. So I'm going to click here, and you will see that I took some document, and I'm going to scan this one. So for better quality and reduce the shadow of your phone, you can use flash. So I am selected flash. Sorry, the rotation is okay. Rotation is not problem. You can change the rotation later also. So here the rotation, you can rotate your photo from here. So here you will see some filters, name, magic, black and white. So I'm going to select black and white. And how much black you want, and that's perfect for me. So click right here and give a document name. So for example, document scan. Okay, so I scanned a paper, so I'm going to scan another one. How much black you want, you can select from here. So this one is perfect for me. So from here you can organize your file, which will be first, which will be second, and you can add more image by capturing with your phone, or you can also add image or scan images or photo from your gallery by using this option. Very similar of taking photo or capturing photo and scan the document. So you can scan any photo from gallery by using this option. So I'm not going to using this one right now. So I'm going to give a color photo, for example. So here I took a book and I'm going to using this book's cover and showing you that how you can add colorful document into your files. So I'm not going to make it black and white, so for that I will take the original one. So you have to click on photo and you have to select how bright you want. So that's perfect for me, and click right. So I want to place this one at first as a cover of my document. So that's it for me. So now I want to make it into PDF. So for converting those scanned document into PDF, you have to click here. So you can rename the document from here, and here you will see that change document type. So which document size you want, you can select from here. So A4 is perfect for me. I'm not going to change that, and now I'm going to convert it into PDF document. So for that you have to click on open PDF, and it will take you a preview of your PDF. So this is my output of scanning those document and paper. So now you have to click here and you have to download this one. So that's it, your work is now completed, and you can see the output from your file manager. So let's see how the output is. So here you will see that some document, and this one that we scanned now, and you will see that the output is very good, and all our details is so good. So I hope by watching my video you get a great solution of scanning document. And if you like the video, don't forget to say it in comment, and please subscribe my channel, it will be very helpful for me. So that's it for today. I hope I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my video. See you.